In a recent Fortune article by BARNABY LASHBROOKE on June 5, 2023, it tells the story of a company that replaced all of its managers with coaches and discovered that employees became 20% more productive and much happier. Well then, that certainly gives you pause, doesn't it? In an era characterized by high employee turnover and declining engagement, implementing a coaching culture could provide the antidote. XUX Coaching LLC bespoke coaching services tailored to meet your needs can significantly uplift employee engagement, productivity, and satisfaction.
The article goes on to say, our managers were all replaced with coaches, with a ratio of 1 coach per 6 employees. There's a crisis developing in workplaces everywhere. According to an annual survey by Gallup, employee engagement dropped to a 7-year low in 2022. Only a third of workers reported feeling engaged at work, while almost a fifth, 18%, described themselves as actively disengaged. Gallup's alarming report from 2022 showed a 7-year low in employee engagement. Many employees felt undervalued, lacked clarity on expectations, and had limited opportunities for growth, leading to the Great Resignation phenomenon. Amidst these challenges, businesses that replaced managers with coaches reported notable benefits. By replacing managers with coaches, time, etc., saw their performance on key goals improve by up to 20%. Employee engagement surged to the top 1% of teams worldwide, sick leave reduced, and employee turnover fell dramatically.
So how does coaching deliver these remarkable results? First, it shifts from a top-down directive approach to one that empowers and supports employees. In our case, the role of an XUX coach isn't to micromanage, but to coach, offer constructive feedback, facilitate personal and professional development, and ensure employees can work in the way they excel. Coaching creates a culture of self-improvement, with employees feeling trusted and supported. This enhances their connection to the company's mission, creating a workforce that's engaged, loyal, and highly productive. Coaching requires a unique skill set and understanding of boundaries. XUX coaches are specifically trained to foster this nurturing environment, equipped with tools and knowledge to inspire and guide employees towards realizing their full potential.
For individuals looking to boost productivity, increase engagement, and retain their best talent, a partnership with XUX Coaching LLC offers a promising solution. A UX coach doesn't just serve as a band-aid to the current engagement crisis. It's an investment in a thriving, resilient future for your business. In the face of bold challenges, bold action is required. Go ahead and book a free initial consultation today, and thank you for watching.